Hey, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and this is a quick tutorial on customizing and saving estimate templates in your account. Our Repair Estimator tool allows you to customize your repair cost database and save templates that you can use for future projects. You can customize your repair cost database however you need by adding in new categories, deleting categories, dragging and dropping and reordering categories as needed. And you can also customize all of your repair items and unit prices to fit your local market and specific business needs. Once you get the estimator customized to how you want to estimate costs for your projects, you can save the estimate as a template that you can use for future projects. To save your estimate as a template, click the Save as Template button at the top, which will open up a modal window for you to save the template name to be used for future estimates. Once you click Save Template, all of your estimate data, including the estimate categories, the repair items, the quantities, unit prices, and your scope of work notes, will be saved with your estimate template. The next time you create a new estimate, your drop-down menu will include a list of our starter templates and your own personalized templates that you've saved in your account. If you have any questions about saving estimate templates, shoot us a message in chat or send us an email.